Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to charge the battery on this watch. If you want to charge the battery on this watch, you will need a couple of things. You will need a charging cable that was provided with your watch, something like this, and you will need a power source for the charging cable. It could be a power brick, like this one, or for example computer with the USB-C port on it, because this charging cable uses the USB-C port, as you can see. I have the charging brick with the USB-A port, but I have this dongle that basically switches from the USB-A to USB-C. I don't recommend to use this one, but if you need to, you can try. Okay. So once you have all of the things, the cable and the power source, plug the cable to the power source. I'm gonna use this dongle like I said before and plug it to the power brick, and then I'm gonna plug the power brick to the power source. Yes, so basically AC outlet. Okay. Once I plug the brick to the outlet, we have the second end of the charging cable, and to basically plug your watch to the cable, you just need to place it on the this round thing, and the watch will start charging, as you can see. While the watch is charging, you will see the nightstand mode. You can turn it off in settings if you don't want to use it, and once you're done charging your watch, you can simply pick it up from the cable like this, and that's how you charge the battery on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.